but it's kind of got that feeling to it. Welcome back to this week's vegan alcohol-free reviews. If you haven't met me before, my name is Dan. If you want to know what this channel is about, I won't cover it in this video, but check out this channel trailer here. If you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Without further ado, let's get into this week's drink. So this week we are reviewing the Clausthaler from Germany, non-alcoholic beverage. It's 0.4%, so it can't be legally classed as alcohol-free. That's why it's called non-alcoholic. So let's get this open and let's see what it's like. Struggled there. Cheers. Initial thoughts is it looks very much like the Mighty Malt. I've covered that video. Don't forget to check that out after this one. It might not even taste remotely the same, but it's kind of got the same colour. So let's have a taste. Oh, I like that. Oh. Actually, initial kick, absolutely fine, nice. Not much of an aftertaste. I'll tell you what, it's quite nice actually. Although there isn't much of an aftertaste that some drinks can leave on your tongue, it is nice. It's very lively. You just know that you could just feel the drink. So with some drinks, especially the alcohol-free versions, they can be a bit watery, and after a while you just don't know. It's, you don't even realise that you've just taken a mouthful of drink. But this actually does leave an effect. It's quite like, it's not sherbety, but it's kind of got that feeling to it. Yeah, no, I quite like this. This is quite nice. Don't mind me. Quite enjoying it. So let's go through the ingredients. Water, barley, malt, hops, hop extract, yeast, and fermentation carbon dioxide. So yeah, the only allergy in that is barley, according to this. It's the only one that's actually in bold. As I previously mentioned, 0.4% volume. This is a 330ml bottle, so it's just the typical size of a can of fizzy drink. It does actually say here, not alcohol-free for the purposes of UK food law, so yeah. One thing I will point out about this is on Barnivore, it says it's actually vegan friendly. Now, after a little bit of deeper digging, the label isn't vegan friendly, so it depends how strict you're going to be. I'd already purchased this, so the damage was already done. The reason why the label's just paper, but it's the glue. We'll know about the glue. If you don't know about the glue, do your own research. There is often animal byproducts in glue. Strange, I know, but unfortunately, in the day and age that we're in, there's just animal products in pretty much everything. But that doesn't make veganism impossible. So I purchased this from Waitrose, don't judge me. I'm sure it's available in other supermarkets as well. I just happened to be in Waitrose picking up a birthday card. And I thought I'd just explore their alcohol-free section to see if they've got anything new. Lo and behold, they had. This is, in my opinion, a must try. It depends on how strict you are with the labelling on the glue. Barnivore obviously doesn't pick that up, so there is potentially other videos that I've reviewed that the glue may well have animal products in. So please always do your own research because I've been leaning on Barnivore and it hasn't been, pointing this information out to me. But let's be fair here, Barnivore is still the best platform to use to find vegan-friendly alcohol and non-alcoholic drinks. So do your own research as always. So yeah, depending on how strict you are, I'd try this. I would try this. If you enjoyed this video, please check out this one here to find out whether or not I enjoyed it more or less than the Clausthaler, however it's pronounced. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next week.